The 2025 Chevrolet Blazer is here, and it's making a bold statement with its striking design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. At Export Car, we bring you the latest insights into the hottest vehicles, and this Blazer is no exception. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines demand attention. Chevrolet has refined the Blazer's design to give it a more modern, athletic stance while maintaining its signature sporty look. Whether you're cruising through city streets or heading out on a weekend adventure, this SUV is built to turn heads and deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Blazer offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving preferences. The standard turbocharged 2.0-liter engine provides a perfect balance of power and efficiency, while the available 3.6-liter V6 delivers a thrilling boost of performance for those who crave extra horsepower. With a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the Blazer offers confident handling in any road condition. Fuel efficiency has also been optimized, making it an excellent choice for both daily commutes and long road trips. Whether you prioritize power or fuel economy, Chevrolet has engineered this SUV to provide a dynamic yet comfortable ride. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends comfort, technology, and practicality. The Blazer's interior features high-quality materials, a driver-focused layout, and an intuitive 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The available Bose premium sound system enhances the driving experience with crystal-clear audio, while advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera ensure peace of mind on the road. The spacious seating and versatile cargo space make it a perfect choice for families, adventurers, and anyone who values convenience and style in one package. The 2025 Chevrolet Blazer isn't just an SUV, it's a statement of performance, technology, and style. Whether you're drawn to its bold exterior, powerful engine options, or cutting-edge features, this vehicle is designed to elevate every drive. At Export Car, we're excited to showcase this latest model and bring you in-depth reviews on the best cars in the market. If you're considering the new Blazer, now is the perfect time to experience its capabilities firsthand. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest car models, test drives, and expert insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Chevrolet Blazer.